is Sam from Potsoul, and today I'll show you how to make extra virgin olive oil with pot. The oil can be used as an ingredient, as a drizzle, or as a bread dipping. And I'll show you how to make it in the first step, and after, how to appreciate it. Step number 1. You want to measure the kinetics. So what you want to do is take the amount that you would use inside of a joint or a vaporizer, and you put 25 to 50% more. So that would be the good quantity that you want. So you spread it equally inside of a bowl, or if it's in a container that you can shake, it's even better. But for the sake of the video, I'll show you inside of a bowl since it's more easy to see. So if you put for one serving 1 cup of olive oil, it's going to be less strong per milliliter than if you take half of the amount, like half of a cup of olive oil. So for the sake of the video, I'll put approximately 1 cup of olive oil so I can use it for later in other recipe. So that looks like a nice, already a nice dipping. So what you want to do is to mix the mixture. Give a quick mix. So the weed is well spread. Okay. So that looks like it. So if you want it to be more strong, you can let it sit inside of a container, airtight container, because you don't want the oil to go rancid. And more that you let it sit, more it's gonna be tasting strong, and also more it's gonna be strong, since the oil will really absorb all the THC. And also, you want to not keep it too long inside of a container, like not more than 1 month, because since you put material inside of the oil, it can go rancid way more fast, and you don't want to eat rancid fat, which is not good for health. So I've been patiently waiting for a week. So you see now that the oil is ready for straining because the material is all sitting down. So what you want to do is take a strainer, a bowl, and you strain it. You want to do it slowly, and also you want to shake a little bit the leftover on top to be sure to extract all the goodies. And you can use also all this leftover to make crackers, or to what I do, I give this to chickens. All the leftover I give it to chicken. So I think that it's gonna be some leftover inside of my eggs. Who knows what it will really make, but I like to have no waste inside of this system. It's all a closed loop and there's no waste. Everything is transformed. So what you want to do is to put your oil inside of a nice bowl for the people to consume it. And also you want to sprinkle just a little bit of weed on top of it, just so people can know that there's some weed inside of it. And after, the fun part, you can enjoy it. That's really tasty. So remember guys, aim high and keep your soul happy.